There you go. I'll just make a short video for any new builders out there. Something that I'm not really a builder as such. I've mostly fixed quads, but I had to put a new stack in this Hawk 5 as I blew up the ESC on the original one, trying to turtle mode out of long grass. Anyway, I got a mini Magnum and decided yesterday it was a bit of something to do. I'll whack it together and get it flying. Anyway, when I went to plug it in, I got a few sparks and a bit of smoke. And I wasn't sure what was going on, and a little bit of wee came out, and then checked everything. Thought one of the motor wires looked a bit dodgy, so I resoldered that. Tried it again and went, oh dear. Anyway, it turns out that the XT60 I had, which I'm not sure where I got it from, the polarity was wrong in it. So yeah, if you do get some XT60s, I'm not sure where I got it from. It's probably some cheap one from somewhere. Just check the polarity before you plug them in. No worries. Peace.